So I recently was in London and Paris and bought some stuff, and that's why we're here today. I've got a luxury haul for you, and there's a lot in here, and there's a lot of different stuff, okay? Brands we know and love. We've got a pair of shoes ready to wear, accessory as well. Maybe I'm also going to introduce you to a brand. I mean, I hadn't heard of this brand before. So we've got some interesting stuff. Yes, very wearable for different occasions. We've also got a perfume, and I actually found quite a few of these have made it into the sale, right? So links will be below as usual. I will leave the links for, you know, the ones that I find on sale there as well. And also links will be on the shopping prompt on the screen. So I'm going to start off with a pair of sunglasses. Okay, so these are Valentino. I've never bought sunglasses from Valentino before, so enjoy this little unboxing process with me. Also, I tried to be really good in that when I bought things, I really tried not to wear or use them until I got here so that we could experience everything together. There's things. Okay, right. Okay, let's do so what's that? Oh, so you get a sunglass and you also get a crossbody strap. 2 for 1. A little small leather good with it. I've never seen that before. Okay, cute, I accept. And then what's this one? Cleaning cloth and what looks to be some documentation. Okay, Valentino. So these sunglasses aren't new, and I've seen them before, but I don't think I'd ever tried them. And I just thought, I've not got a shape like this. I think that they are wearable every day, but they still pack a punch. So you've basically got, hope you can see with the light, you've got like a little sort of stud like, yeah, maybe like tiny rock studs all here in the metal, and also a little bit down the side. Also, when it comes to sunglasses, I like skinny sides. I don't tend to like you know what I mean, the ones with the wide sides, okay? They're like kind of aviatory. They're interesting. I think they're called like the hexagon something. I also think that they come in, is this the black? Because they do a blue tint and a yellow. Easy, fabulous, looks stunning, intriguing, like a woman that you want to get to know. The next item you would have seen in my Harrods shopping vlog. Zero intention of buying. This walked past it and I was like, oh my gosh, you're interesting and fun and right up my alley. And actually, the comments on that video about this were absolutely brilliant. So shout out to you. Well done to you, because you cracked me up. The one that really stuck in my head was, this top looks like Guy Fieri at Pride. And to that, I say, thank you very much. 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. Also, I used to watch Diners, Drive-Ins and Dives, okay, in my tween years. So shout out to Guy Fieri, all right? He looks like he knows what he's doing. So yeah. It is this Palm Angels silk shirt, and it's got rainbow flames all over it. And inside the flames are black crystals. And I mean, come on. Of course, this is so me. I actually got this oversized. What size are you? It's, by the way, it's still in stock and it's still on sale. So, like I said, links will be below. I got a size 44. It's oversized on me. You know, you'll see it on and everything. But I thought this with a black bralette, high-waisted shorts, you know, in the winter, you can do this again, worn open with a black turtleneck. Love it. I love the fact that, you know, it's all black, so it's going to go with everything, and then you've just got this pizzazz of all of the flames. Fabulous. A statement top. You're gonna get the smiles, because who can't look at this and get a bit of joy? Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, so the next set is a brand that I discovered in Paris, and this was in my Paris shopping vlog, Tresse. If you are looking for resort, spring, summerish pieces, if you're going on holiday, Tresse. Oh my gosh. And the pricing, you know, I would say is a bit more approachable, right? So this top, it's like a silk taffeta in this cobalt blue. It has the shells all around the collar with crystal details around the shell, and then you've got it just at the top of the pocket as well. This is a size 1 in the shirt. And then I got the matching shorts, just a simple pull-on elasticated waist. I got these in a size 2, and then you've got the little shell, you know, done in the form of a flower, I believe, yeah, flower, with the crystals as well. First of all, I love blue. Cobalt's having a moment. By the by, I'm a blue girl anyway. And also, you know, I love these two, like these shorts and shirt sets for the summer. They're so easy. I'm a fan. But the other thing that I like about this, because it's in this silk taffeta, it has that sheen. It's easily dressed up. Like, you can do this buttoned up, tucked in, with the shorts, with heels, for an easy look, you know? And so I liked it. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. I'm here in heels, okay? And I had a look in the mirror, and it looks good, in my opinion. I'm in these heels because they match almost perfectly. And it's just like, it looks kind of casual, but can be dressed up really easily. Oh, and just the way that the colour is just so saturated. And then all these give like, exactly, like a little bit more of a dressed up vibe. Like, I can imagine me at the Hamptons in this. The only thing missing is an invite to the Hamptons, but you know, that can be worked on. I'm going to a wedding in September, and I can't even remember like the first place I saw this dress, but I saw it and then I became a bit obsessed with it. And then I would check on it all of the time to see if it, you know, had maybe been involved in any sales. And then I saw that it was involved in a sale, and I got this on Setier. This is from Rick Owens Lilies, and it's called the Svita dress. On the hanger, it's not looking like much, okay? I will show you her on, don't worry. She also does have a side slit. It's floor length on me, I'm 5'4", and it's very comfortable. It hugs the body, but the ruching makes you also feel a little bit less self-conscious about things because there's ruching going on. That's the beauty of it. It's got a bit of an asymmetric neckline because this goes a bit higher and whatever. Rick Owens Lilies is also, if I am not mistaken, the cheaper sort of label, what am I calling it? Diffusion line, the cheaper diffusion line of Rick Owens. And this dress comes in this colour, in like a metallic-y sheen. It's got a sheen. But they do jersey versions of this in black and a like taupe colour that's also cheaper. But I got this one on Setier for, I think it was about £300 off its original price. The jersey version, I feel like you could do this with this too. The jersey versions would look incredible worn casually with a boot. Okay, a nice little heeled boot. I'm very glad I got fixated on this dress because I feel like a Greek goddess. Aphrodite on a plinth. It looks elegant. It's like a little bit sort of sexy, but not overly sexy. It's comfy. It's interesting. It's all of the things that, you know, I would like. So I got this in a 42, which is a UK 10, US 6, exactly. So true to size. The next piece. I thought I'd never have a chance with her. I was, you know, tapping around the internet and I saw that Louisa V. Aroma was having a 40% flash sale. And something inside me said, check Alexandre Vauthier for that fabulous short sleeve jacket that you fell in love with the moment you saw it. And then you thought it was over because it was sold out. You were like, oh my gosh, I had my chance and I blew it. You know, it was a very sad moment, and guess what? There was a 38 and a 40, one of each left, 40% off. And I said, now is my time. This jacket, let me tell you, one of like top 3 of the best jackets I've ever bought. It is phenomenal. But not only just like the way it feels, the fabrics, all of that, but when you put it on, it is one of those pieces that transforms you into your alter ego. You are like, oh my, I'm the best version of me with this jacket on. I feel invincible. I feel like I could go out there and get what I want from life. Are you kidding me? The hourglass waist and the way that it's constructed so that it just hangs, you know, in this hourglass shape, it is just phenomenal. This is double-breasted. This is the only button that closes it. It's just the one button to close. I am obsessed. It's just the padded shoulders. The best, the best, the best. I love it. I love it even more because it's short sleeved, and I think that that's just really interesting. We don't see a lot of that. I like the fact that, once again, you know I'm a black turtleneck stan when it comes to the full winter. We do her with a black turtleneck. Done. Knocked it out of the park. Thank you very much. Goodbye. It is... I cannot express to you how I feel about this jacket, and I know that it's sad, the way it's tailored. I would like to write a letter to the Alexandre Vauthier design and manufacturing team to say thank you. You've made my life better because this jacket is in it. I'm very passionate, okay, about how I feel about this jacket. I wore it in Paris because I couldn't wait, and that outfit is one of my favourite outfits that I've worn this year. I love it. I love it, I love it, and I cannot wait to overwear it. Yes, I did get the 38 and it's perfect. So I went to Alaïa. Alaïa is a French brand. If you love Alaïa and you're in Paris, then 1 + 1 makes 2. I tried on these leggings and I was like, I'm probably not going to get them because they are insanely overpriced, blah, blah, blah. And then I put them on and I was like, wow. I love leggings. I'm a legging connoisseur. Listen, once you find a good pair, snatch it. The cost per wear of these leggings will be nothing by the end of the year with the way that I wear leggings. This is in my top 2. My favourite leggings are the Walford Scuba leggings. They're about like £120, $120-ish, right? These are 100% times more expensive than those, but they're really great. I love the fact that, so everything is like crazily reinforced and seamless and whatever. I got this in a size 40. Keep that in mind if you're interested. And I like the fact that they've got this zip-up detail, and I do like that it maybe looks a little bit more put together if you're going to have the waistband on show with leggings. That's the only downside of wearing leggings like recreationally, you know, like casually, is sometimes when the waistband is on show, it just like, it drops the ball a bit. And I think that this makes things look a bit more put together in an odd way. What other design details have we got about this? I mean, it's a pair of sodding black leggings. How much more can I say? It's got Alaïa in little raised rubber letters there, and it also does have zips. I wouldn't necessarily say that it adds that much. The zips go up the back. I mean, it adds a little bit of a flare depending on how tall you are, but I think it's also mainly just to help you get them on and off a bit easier. But when I tell you, everything is and you just feel great. Okay, on the topic of Alaïa, I'd never looked at Alaïa shoes before. I had to. For some reason, I was at the register, I looked over, and I was like, while I'm here, let's give them a go. Thinking I wouldn't maybe like them as much as I did. Obsessed. They are these like cork wedge platforms, patent Mary Jane style. They also do this with like a peep toe in black, red, and I want to maybe say white. And they've got a little ankle strap. These are light, easy to walk in, because that arch is small. This arch is less than this arch on the shoe. But when you look at this, you're like, oh yeah, like that looks like a relatively easy shoe to walk in. And this, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to topple over and die. So easy to walk in, comfortable, but they pack a punch because they look like a lot. But at the same time, they're going to go with a lot. Also, I'm not going to seasonalize these. I'm not going to say that these are just summer, because I feel like, do you know what, with the right look, let's bring it out for a colder season moment. I really like these. I really didn't think I would. True to size, I got a 39. I tried on a 39.5, it was too big. Also, everything Alaïa is exceptional quality. Okay, the next item is like a wardrobe staple. It's by Patou, and it is this A-line, it needs a steam, silk satin skirt, okay? It's very simply cut, but it hangs so well on the body. It's high-waisted. It's just the perfect little black skirt. And there's one skirt that's actually been working a bit overtime for me. It's like a very old Kenzo wool skirt I have that I bring out anytime I need just like a simple black high-waisted skirt. Because I've been looking for one to sort of, not replace it, but you know, she wants to go part-time, it's too much for her. I walked past this on the hanger and I was like, let's just give it a try. I got this in a size 36 because it does sort of flare out over the hips, and I do have a smaller waist, and highly, highly recommend also have seen that it's on sale some places. Slightly giving schoolgirl, but you get the vibes. Just look, it's the perfect little black skirt. And the way that it's darted so that it's just like boop, boop, boop. So cute. Obviously, love with a white shirt, pop the collar. Shout out to Jane Fonda with a heel and you're good to go. A skirt like this with my Guy Fieri top, are you kidding me? So versatile. Moving on to a fragrance. I was going to get a fragrance in Paris because fragrances to me, I associate them with places. It tends to be holidays. I thought, I haven't been to Paris in a while, let me get a Paris fragrance. When I describe to you what this smells like, you're going to be like, that doesn't smell luxurious at all, but hear me out. Oh, this is part of the Le Gemme family by Bulgari. It's called Tygar, T-Y-G-A-R. And it looks like this, okay? Yeah, this little sort of plinth of fabulousness, 100 mils. Nice little magnetic cap there, love it. And then you've got the tiger's eye in the top. This smells like Fanta out of a glass bottle, and I love it. It smells like more luxurious than that, but it is so like that, like grapefruity, orangey goodness. It's juicy. You know, I love the juice. It's very juicy, it's very summery. And I've not smelled anything like it. And that was the thing that reeled me in. I was like, never have I spritzed a fragrance and thought, Fanta orange on the nose, and I love it. So there we go. And finally, my final piece is from the brand that I predict to be the hottest brand this year, Loewe. Oh gosh, Loewe just has really good quality pieces. And I tried this on. It was the cut of this that completely got me. It's just cut so... Oh, the way it hangs on the body is perfect. It's the little zookeeper jacket from the vlog. This is like a super light, I actually think it's a silk wool mix. Feels lovely, right? You've got this leather anagram patch on the left titty. It has a hood, right? And this I just thought it's so light. This is something that you could easily, this summer, in case you're worried that, you know, either it's going to rain or the temperature's going to drop a bit, it's perfect for that. It's one of those, I also really like this aspect of it, the elasticated wrist section. What's the official term of this? I like that it's long. It looks a bit different to me. I like that it's got like a skinny little arm and then it sort of balloons a little bit. But yeah, you will see on me, the way it hangs is just great. This like thing at the side, it's zipped, by the way. Bit of an odd downside. Is it a downside? It's just sort of an odd thing about it. The pockets are really high. So if you intend to use the pockets, you will be walking around with your hands just under the breasts. Keep in mind. Yeah, like I said, like it's a nice little zookeeper-y look. Why not? Let me know what was your favourite piece, you know, provided you have one. I will leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are, in the words of my father.
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.